Launch, sir.
Thank you very
So
much.
what is the whole partnership about? What do they get on the table?
We've been investing heavily in Sony Pictures Networks over the last few years in the genres that we already operate in,
Right.
plus looking at opportunities of getting into genres where our presence has not been there, and therefore factual entertainment.
Right, yes.
And when you think of factual entertainment, the first name that comes to mind is BBC Worldwide.
Absolutely,
Because
absolutely.
they produce the best
Right,
and most of the factual entertainment content that is produced in the world.
right.
Yeah. And therefore, when we thought of getting into factual entertainment, it was a natural choice for us to go to them
Sure.
and have a conversation. And it's our privilege that they agreed to come on board as our joint venture partners. So they bring in the expertise
Right,
in factual entertainment content
Right.
on the production side, as well as the deep understanding of programming and scheduling
Right.
of the content.
it's a great synergy.
Yeah, it's a great synergy.
Excellent. So what is the key differentiator in terms of the content?
One is the content itself, as
Right,
you
of
rightly
course, factual, yes,
picked up.
yes.
The second is the way we are presenting
Right.
the content. We are aiming at appointment viewing, which is something that we've not seen in genre for a long period
Okay,
of time.
okay.
So by appointment, we will have shows at 8 p.m., 9 p.m.,
Wow.
10 p.m.
What is Feel Alive?
Feel Alive is, our environment, our earth has so much to give.
Right.
And when you see that magic come alive on a TV screen,
Right.
we expect all of us to feel alive with that magic. And
Okay.
that is why Feel Alive, when you see Sony BBC Earth,
Right.
you will feel alive.
Wow.
Because the environment we live in today,
Sure.
at least in the urban markets,
Right, sure.
it's always stressful and people are running to make ends meet or
Absolutely.
get from one place to the other.
Right.
There's lots going on
Right.
always, and therefore we get detached from our natural habitat, our surrounding and what's happening around
Sorry.
in the world.
Yes.
Yeah, so we present it on Sony BBC Earth and we see it as viewers.
Right.
We expect our viewers
It's
to
going to
start.
have a lot of visual effects.
Yeah,
to
yeah.
be
It's a spectacle in itself because
Wow.
the kind of content that
Right.
BBC Worldwide produces
Right.
on natural history or science or adventure
Sure.
is the best quality
Okay.
in high definition. And when you see those visuals, you sit there in awe and
Absolutely.
again feel alive,
Wow.
full of energy.
So it's going to be available in how many languages?
We are launching with 4 languages,
Okay.
English, Hindi, Tamil and Telugu.
Okay.
And in standard definition and also in high definition.
Excellent. And what's your association with Kareena Kapoor?
You know,
Just-
Kareena is so lively, bubbly and vivacious.
Right.
She symbolizes Feel Alive.
Right.
And therefore we thought of her
Okay.
as the Feel Alive ambassador for Sony BBC Earth.
Oh, excellent. Excellent. So how do you intend to, amplify the whole thing?
The association.
Yes.
Kareena, as I said, is our Feel Alive ambassador
Right.
for Sony BBC Earth, and
Yeah.
therefore is representative of the positioning of the channel.
Okay.
And she will be part of the communications.
Okay.
In the press launch today, she'll be there.
Right.
And the few more that we are doing after this. So
Okay.
she's an integral part of this launch.
Okay. And what next from the Sony? Okay.
Well, there's a lot of action on our side.
Right.
In Sony Pictures
Yes.
Network, we've been growing aggressively in the last few years, and
Right.
just yesterday we've closed our 10 Sports acquisition.
Wow.
So those 5 channels are now part of our bouquet.
Awesome. Okay.
Formally,
Sure.
they're part of our bouquet. We are launching these 2 channels on 6th of March.
Okay.
And after that, we'll be getting set to launch a kids channel.
Awesome. Live action or animation?
No, it'll be an animation channel.
Excellent.
All original, but let me not say too much
All
about
right.
it. We'll talk about it at the right time.
Sure, sure. All right. Thank you so much
Yeah,
for chatting
thank you.
with us,
Thank
and
you
all
so
the
much.
good luck.
Yeah.